guys, this is Medic and this is the DJI Spark and this is the DJI Mavic Mini. So you know about it, you heard about it. So what do we know about these drones? So let's talk about the Spark first. So you can buy this for 600 bucks, a fly mode combo. It comes in 5 different colors. We got the white, yellow, red, blue and green. So that's one of the things I like this drone so much, because you can change, you can pick up a color of whatever you want. So yeah, and if we look at the Mavic Mini, you can only buy it in one color. So that's one of the things, like why is the newest drone right now on one color and an older one on different colors?
Right, so let's talk about the design first. So it comes in 5 colors, we know that, and it's a pretty heavy one for such a little drone, and it is comfortable. But if I'm comparing this with the Mavic Mini, it is much better, guys, because this drone is 500 bucks. It's the fly mode combo, and it says even on the aircraft ultra light, guys, 249 grams. That seems like a pretty good deal. And you can also fold this drone. That makes it more comfortable if I'm comparing it with the Spark. But with the Spark, can't do. So let's talk about the specs first. The camera has a 2-axis gimbal. Image and video quality on this thing is 1080p. For camera modes, it has a single shot, multiple EAB, time shot, shadow focus and pano. It has now, DJI has some shooting videos like active track. It has also some smart shooting mode. We have drone, rocket, helix, circle, tap fly, gesture, active track, and at last but not least, tripod. Alright guys, so let's talk about the specs of the Mavic Mini. So the gimbal of this drone has a 3x gimbal. For photos, it's shooting on 12 megapixel. With videos, you can shoot it in 2.7K on 25 or 30 fps. But if you switch it to 1080, you can shoot it in 25, 30, 40, 50 and 60 fps. The max distance of the drone is 2.5 miles. Each battery has a maximum flight time of 30 minutes. This drone has also a new mode called Cine Smooth.
Alright guys, so I think we have to step it up a little bit and go outside to fly these drones. So let's do this. guys, so we're back. So I think both of these drones have an amazing video quality and specs also. But if I were you, I would definitely recommend the Mavic Mini because you can fold it, it's more comfortable, and it has some more accessories than the Spark. So yeah guys, that was it for this video. So I hope you enjoyed this video, so please give me the thumbs up for this video and please subscribe to the channel, and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.